Okay, so our dry brined turkey has been in the fridge for 24 hours, and we're getting ready to go outside. When I say we, I mean my husband and myself, and we're going to go ahead and get this podcast rolling. Hello and welcome to Stir with Love, number 4 in our series by Love of Food Network. I'm Jan Delory, and I'm joined today by my wonderful husband, Rob Delory.
Hello.
Rob, tell us a little bit about All Barbecue and why we're doing this video outside in the rain under a tent.
Under a tent, yeah. Well, years ago I wanted to have good barbecue and I couldn't find restaurants, so we decided to go ahead and get not this one to start out with, but we started out with a couple of renditions of smokers, and I ended up with a Kamado in the end. And I've been using this one for about 7 years, posting about it, making videos, memes, you name it. I've been doing it online.
It's wonderful. And what you all don't know is that I've used this thing too, and I can smoke like there's nobody's business. But today we're going to let him have the privilege of doing the spatchcocked dry rubbed turkey on the smoker. Now, we could have added some wood into the smoke, and I'll let Rob talk about that a little bit, but we opted not to do that because we have somebody coming over tonight to eat it with us who isn't a big fan of heavy smoke. But I think, and tell me if I'm wrong, Rob, that the smoker itself will infuse in just the charcoal a little bit of that flavor.
I mean, sure, it's charcoal, it's wood, it's going to produce smoke. It just won't produce a lot because the type of charcoal I use, it's not going to impart a lot of it, but it will definitely enhance. So I've got my lump charcoal going, and it's off to a very good start, as you can see here. Actually, I'm just about ready to be able to put this on. I'd like a little bit more ash occurring, so I'm going to move these around and to get them moved up, but I think I'll have this ready to go in about 10 minutes or so. There we go. Lay this down nicely here. There we go. I can hear that sizzle already. Look at that. Very nice.
Look how beautiful that looks on the smoker or on the grill. I hope this comes out amazing so that we're going to be able to share with you just another way that you can cook your Thanksgiving.
Absolutely. We've cooked chicken like this, and we've cooked turkey on here, but I've never spatchcocked one, so I'm excited to see.